You're not lazy, you're not broken, you just don't have a system, and that's exactly what's keeping you stuck. Watching other people build the life you want while you keep starting over every Monday. Here's the 5-step system that ends that cycle for good. Most people try to build discipline by wanting it more. They wake up fired up, change everything at once, and burn out in 3 days. Then they say, "I have no willpower," and quit. That's not a character flaw. That's a strategy failure. Discipline isn't about motivation. It's about removing every obstacle between you and action. Here's how. Step 1. Shrink it. You aim too big. Wake up at 5 a.m. Meditate, exercise, read, journal, all at once, and then you crash. Here's the fix. Pick one thing. Make it embarrassingly small. Not exercise every day. 10 push-ups. Not read more. 1 page. Your brain doesn't resist small actions. It resists big changes. The goal isn't the push-ups. The goal is proving you show up. That's where discipline is built, in the showing up, not the size. Step 2. Block the escape. Your phone is an escape hatch. The moment anything gets hard, your hand reaches for it. You didn't choose to scroll. Your environment chose for you. So change the environment. Put your phone in another room. Delete the apps. Make distractions inconvenient. You cannot out-willpower a device engineered by thousands of people to keep you hooked. You will lose every time. The answer: make escaping harder than doing the work. When scrolling takes effort and the task is right in front of you, behavior changes automatically. Step 3. The 5-minute rule. There will be days you don't want to do anything. The voice says, skip it, start tomorrow. Here's how you beat it. Commit to 5 minutes. Tell yourself you'll do the thing for 5 minutes only. If you want to stop, stop. What happens? Starting is the hard part. Once you're moving, momentum takes over. 5 minutes becomes 20. 20 becomes 40. And on the days it doesn't, you still win. You showed up. You kept the streak. You proved the voice doesn't decide. Motion creates motion. Win the first 5 minutes and the rest follows. Step 4. Make it a rule. Stop treating discipline like something you try to do. Start treating it like something you are. I'm trying to go to the gym, leaves an exit. I don't miss workouts is a rule. No negotiation. When something becomes non-negotiable, like brushing your teeth, the internal debate disappears. There's nothing to decide. No willpower needed. I don't skip. I don't negotiate. This is simply what I do. Identity drives action. Become the person who doesn't miss. Step 5. Track it. What you measure improves. What you ignore repeats. Write down every day whether you showed up. Not what you achieved, just yes or no. On paper, where you can see it. 3 empty days in a row hurts. That discomfort is the point. It stops one bad week from becoming another lost year. Don't use an app you'll ignore. Put it where it stares at you. Awareness creates urgency. Urgency creates action. Action repeated becomes who you are. You're not lazy. You've been using the wrong strategy. Pick one thing. Shrink it. Block the escapes. Use the 5-minute rule. Make it non-negotiable. Track it. Do that for 30 days and look in the mirror. You won't recognize who's looking back.